From manufacturing facilities to large cooling applications, product integrity requires precise temperature control, and operational excellence relies on efficiency. At Tritech, we support our industrial clients with the most comprehensive, efficient chiller lineup in the industry. Let's look into our global chiller brands. Smart, global #1 oil-free chiller. Kawasaki, world's most efficient absorption chiller from Japan. Dunham-Bush, the inventor of screw chiller technology. Daikin, global top air conditioning company from Japan. Midea, efficient chillers from Fortune 500 companies. LG, 100% first world-made chillers. For any chiller needs, contact our experts now. Tritech, country's largest HVAC-R provider.